It's not irrigate. I lift her up.
You can tilt her a little, like put her butt down a little bit. Huh?
It's this thing. It's pulling out.
That's just her food. It's not totally. She's just not happy.
Might want to put her up a little higher, Dan.
You know what it is?
Danny, put her up a little higher. Your saturation
She's
stuff.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you wanted?
Danny.
What?
She's going down.
Because the thing is
Yep.
on her nose. Can you put her up here?
There you go. Now it's going back up.
She'll fall asleep and drool. It's okay. Do one more side. Just pat her.
Well, she knows Sheila has a funeral sweater on.
The what sweater?
Funeral sweater.
Why do you call it that?
Already done. I already got you on video. I'm getting her anyway.
She does not like when I stop patting.
Oh no, that's her favorite thing ever.
She wants too much into the rubbing.
Oh my god, she's got a pool of drool. Look at the drool. Yes.
Are you showing
Look at the drool.
Yeah, Haley likes to watch her, so I was wondering if
That's so funny.
She loves her monitor.
I know, she likes to look at
I had her.
She's very social.
I had her last night. I had cocked the crib so she could just look at it.
She's very nosy. When I was doing her CPT this morning, I turned her away from me, and she's all,
I want to see you. I want to see
yeah,
you.
because I talked to her, and she's like, where'd you go? And Kelly was over here, and I'm like, yeah, you're so nosy. If Kelly was talking to somebody, you wouldn't mind looking over this way.
Sheila, I think you should do this. Let's have one.
Right now.
I mean, I think you should have one.
Yeah, it takes more than just a meeting.
We can arrange that.
It takes a lot of work.
She's zonked again, Dan. She is out. All right. We had to have Auntie Sheila come hold her because she's leaving us for a while.